It's a spick and span waiting room.
Oh my
What
God.
I love most? Not having to haul my tires twice a year. They're always just there, waiting to be installed. All beautiful and grippy. Kind of like my mom, too. Driven Automotive. Driven to go the extra mile, so you can too. Coming up, more of Regina's #1 hits for Driven Automotive on Z99.
Pat Shimko, 'tis the season to be.
Weekly payments from $178 and delivery credits up to $3,500.
But Pat, naughty is the new nice.
Not at Taylor Lexus. Book your test drive today and experience amazing weather.
You're okay.
Naughty or
Good job,
nice.
baby.
This holiday season, Freeze Tallman has some gingerbread home building advice. First,
Oh my God, Brandon!
use only royal icing to lock down those shingles.
That's so big!
Parties to properly separate the weight of your hot chocolate hot tub. And before
Oh my
attempting
God.
Good job!
always make sure you
I'm
first
like
taste
shaking.
the boat during